Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you all are good today, and I hope my previous videos are helpful for for all the newcomers, for all the folks who are joining. And yes, this is the reminder. Please subscribe this YouTube channel. I'll be posting more YouTube cloud related content on this YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about how we can simply use storage classes in the cloud actually. So in this video, we are going to discuss about S3 storage classes. What are the S3 related storage related classes available in the AWS actually. This is we are going to discuss in this video. So how frequently data can be accessed, how how much performance you need, how frequently you are going to backups, how how much important data you have, what are the availability of your data, what is the performance of behind that retrieval, or what are the various kind of factors, various factors are behind that things actually. So in this video we are going to discuss, we are going to see, we are going to learn how you can simply use and optimize your access patterns, and how you can efficiently manage your data between all the storage classes in this in any cloud service provider. Let's say in this video we are going to simply learn about S related storage classes. So for this, I have made one Word document. So let's see how you can simply manage the all the storage classes. So so this is the Word document, guys. We are going to simply learn about this. So understanding and managing Amazon S3 storage classes is essential if you want to optimize both cost and performance, as we have as we have already discussed about this. So these are the storage classes available in the I know AWS actually. Whether you are going with initially you are using S3 standard reduced redundancy. Then you have S3 standard infrequent access. Then you have S3 intelligent tiering. Then you have one zone, intelligent tiering. Then you have S3 Glacier, and you have Glacier Deep Archive. So these are the storage classes available to store your data. So the access pattern, the storage available in the in the upward in the sorry, the downward direction actually. If once your data is in this standard class, and let's say you have moved into intelligent tiering, you cannot move back into the the S3 standard storage class. So this is the thing you have to keep in mind. So later, based on your the duration, based on your requirement, the data will shift into the storage classes. So these all are the storage classes available in the S3 storage related stuff. So we are going to discuss how you can simply manage all these things. So this is the brief, document guide. So let's see, we will discuss how you can simply, use the data. So Amazon S3 simple storage service we all already aware about. This is the storage service by Amazon is Amazon. So Amazon S3 stores data as object inside the buckets. Yes, obviously the data is stored in the object format inside the buckets. You just create the buckets and you just store it. Not all data is used equally, right? Some data is accessed every second, some only once a month, and some are stored, compliance and backup purposes. So these are all kind of a big, data storage requirement actually. So faster data use, like once you frequently use the data, it means you need a faster retrieval, and that definitely means slightly expensive data it is. Once you are required data, you require rarely use data, then it is cheaper, but slower retrieval. It means you cannot, if you have let's say you are, if you require a data which is rarely required, so obviously the requirement is, the price would be slow actually, less actually. So this is, I'm trying to explain to you here. Then you have the first type of Amazon S3 storage, that is this standard general purpose. So this is the first, and this is the general hierarchy about how you can simply create the storage bucket in the S3. Let's say you have S3, then you create a bucket. Inside a bucket, you create a folder. Inside a folder, you just simply upload an object, and that object has a public access URL actually. So this is the general diagram behind the the storage, the bucket, and the folder related. What are the correlation between all these things actually? So this is how a general, once you put the object inside the S3, so this is how a hierarchy is created. Let's say you are selected S3 service, then you created a backup, sorry, a bucket, then you create a folder inside the bucket, then you store the object inside the object is nothing but your data actually, and that the data you have to make it accessible, that you will you will have a public accessibility. This is the another diagram. This is the CloudFront distribution. Let's see, you are using CloudFront distribution service, another service that let you allow you, simply access a data simply, in the upcoming videos we are going to discuss CloudFront distribution also. So just keep watching these videos and subscribe this YouTube channel actually. So we are going to not discuss here about the cloud front here. Actually, in the later upcoming videos, we are going to discuss. So in the standard storage classes designed for frequently accessed data, once you required, the access patterns are frequently. You required, frequently required data. Let's see. So that we would use a standard storage classes. Low latency, high throughput, obviously. Use cases for this storage classes, websites, application, big data analytics. So this means you once you know let's say your websites require frequent data. The customers are huge number of customers. This means frequent access. So when you require a standard storage classes, applications, what are the web applications you are using? They definitely go with the standard uh, uh, storage classes. Then big data analytics, obviously access patterns are high, traffic is high, then you will definitely go with the standard classes. Uh, so this is the one line, guys. Best when performance matters more than the cost. Obviously, once you need a performance, website application, big data analytics systems are required high performance. Then you don't need to worry about the cost actually. So this is how ASC storage classes, standard storage class it is. Again, we have IS3 intelligent tiering, and name itself indicate intelligent tiering. It means based on your access patterns, you are going to use the data actually. So this is the screenshot where we have, a life cycle policy actually. Once you set the intelligent tiering, and then day after 30s, let's say you after let's say you want data to be shipped into the intelligent tiering from a standard. storage after day 30. So you will set this kind of rules in the lifecycle rules actually. So this is how you can handle the transition between the storage cases. In the intelligent tiering, automatically move data between tier based on the usage. So this is it is no need to manually manage access patterns. Definitely, access patterns are manually handled. So this is perfect for unknown and charging access patterns. So this is how. S3 standard AI infrequent access, low cost and low cost than standard. Obviously, you have infrequent access. It means data is stored in the format in the storage class where you don't require frequent access of the data actually. Retrieval fees applies definitely. Use cases like backups and disaster recovery. Once you don't require, in the backups you don't need a backup daily actually. Once in a while, once in a month, once in a quarterly, you will require a backup. Then you will obviously go with the infrequent access. In disaster recovery kind of whenever you require you required the recovery from disaster, then you will obviously go with the infrequent access where you will require you know the infrequent access actually. So this is how PS3 storage standard infrequent access it is. So as this is the line like access occasionally and but need quick retrieval. Obviously, this kind of requirement whenever is there, so we go with the standard AI. Sorry, standard infrequent access, guys. We will go with the access occasionally. So this is how standard infrequent access it is. Then we have one single one zone infrequent access. So let's say you want to store your data in in only one AZ. You don't need to bother about you don't need to store your data in multiple you don't need to spread your data in multiple AZs actually. Then you will simply put your data in a single AZ actually. So this is how you can store your data in one zone easy actually. So this is obviously low cost, less durable actually. So keep in mind, once you store your data in one zone easy, one zone so this is how uh, one zone infrequent access storage class. uh, so this is the brief diagram about uh, one zone AI, I mean the infrequent access. Stored in single AG, less redundant, cheaper than storage classes, obviously, right? Uh, the storage class is only available within the single AG. It means it is definitely a cheaper class actually. So no, so this is easy to handle. So this is good for non-critical data. Once you have data that you want, that is not important, but you want to keep it in the storage classes. Then such kind of data can be stored in standard AG actually. Uh, Whenever you require a backups, you want your data must be backed up. So but you required storage cost must be less. Then you will go with the this storage class actually, a standard infrequent access. Then we have S3 Glacier storage classes actually. Once you let's say you want a data that you no longer require, you don't need a frequent required. Let's say you required to be backed up, or let's say you required um, uh, want to retrieve a data once in a while, once in a year actually. So this kind of data can be stored inside the Glacier Deep Archive or Flexible Retrieval based on the S3 Glacier storage class is perfect once you know that you are going to simply need the data once in a while, once in a year actually. So this is how you can use S3 Glacier storage class where you instance and then in the Glacier storage classes you have again three storage classes, that is Glacier Instance Retrieval, Glacier Instant Flexible, and Glacier Deep Archive. So these are all all the sub storage categories available in the S3 Glacier storage classes. So this is like the backups, the records, the audits are kept in this S3 Glacier storage classes actually, guys. So this is how you can use S3 storage classes, and based on the access patterns, you will charge. So this is the simple diagram, behind access, frequency, storage, and cost. So here we have S3 standard, intelligent tiering, S3 standard, infrequent access, one zone AI, and the Glacier, S3 Glacier. So these all are. Retrieval times varies instance milliseconds, flexible and deep archive. These related to Glacier storage class, guys. So why we need a Glacier storage class actually? It is best for compliance data, long-term archive like let's say you want to keep your data in the long term, but let's say you want a data that you don't you don't require it, just you want to store it for a year, so then and you need a storage cost should be less, then you will definitely go with the Glacier storage class. So this is how Glacier storage class here in the AWS. So this is a simple, the life cycle policy related stuff. Automatically move data between classes. Zero. First of all, your data, would be in the Amazon, S3 standard. Then after day 30, your data would be moved into the infrequent access, and after day 90, if you want, you can move into Glacier actually. So this approach is critical for cost optimization in real projects actually. So this is the brief video, guys. I have prepared for you. If you want this file, I'll simply uh, I'll simply what we can say upload it to the GitHub, where you can simply go and download it. So this is the simple video about S3 storage classes. I hope this video is helpful for all of you guys. I hope this video is useful for all the folks available, who are watching this video, guys. And if you need any help, you can definitely comment in the comment section. And if you need a video on the another topic, I'll definitely try to make it. What are the if you need on any service you require or any topic you require a video, I'll definitely break it down, and I'll try to explain you how you can simply use that service in your environment actually. So this is the brief video about how you can efficiently manage the storage classes, how you can efficiently manage your storage uh, S3 related storage classes. This was the video about the S3 storage related the video. I hope this video is useful for all of you guys. So thank you very much for watching this video, and keep learning. So thank you very much.